I'm Barbara Beaubien. I'm the Senior Vice President of Sales and Marketing for Panoramic Doors. We are manufacturers in the United States, just outside of Dallas, and we make glass door systems that are thermally efficient. They slide, pivot, and stack, and they open up a residence or commercial application completely open, no glass in the way. One of the biggest benefits that builders tell us about working with us is that we are 99.9% on-time delivery. When a builder needs something, they want to know that it's going to be there, completely guaranteed. A lot of people take their time choosing a glass door system by looking at all the different companies that are out there, and a lot of them really focus on price, but they miss a lot of things like, are the parts available locally? Is there support that's going to be here in the US? Is the product guaranteed? What kind of warranty does it have? And most importantly, it's the things that you can't see. What kind of aluminum is used? What kind of glass is used? Everything needs to be studied so that you're making the very best choice. Our product is going to transform a home or a commercial space and really let it open it up and allow the outdoors in. It increases the flexibility of the space and really brings that sunshine and nature inside that people love. It's a great transformation to a space. And you can also find your local sales rep by going to panoramicdoors.com.